People quite often ask me what we were looking for when we were designing the new campus. Three things were in our mind. First, we wanted it to be a green campus, a sustainable campus, a campus that will use minimum resources, minimum water, minimum energy, that will be easy to maintain, that will be low cost in the long term. Second, we were looking for a campus that will maximize the interaction between people, where people will meet each other, greet each other, bump into each other. That was aligned with how the Indian architecture is all about. That is how the Indian towns and cities have traditionally grown. The third thing that we were looking for was create a campus that delight a visitor. We wanted people from Ahmedabad to say, let us go and see this beautiful campus that we hear about. We wanted people visiting Ahmedabad to tell their hosts that since they're in Ahmedabad, they would like to see the campus. Having understood that these are the three things that we were looking for, we took a very participative approach where we would sit with lots of architects. Somebody is designing the housing, somebody is designing the hostel, somebody is designing the academic campus, and we all will sit together, the students, the faculty, and we'll just ask a lot of questions. We will discuss what we are doing and how we can improve on it. And the entire process of design was extremely participative. Everybody was cooperative in taking the feedback, modifying the designs, and that is how we were able to design the campus.